Yamamo akwaba. Afrika siyebono enchiremu enye. Mika say a cabinet etimi amakwan say eye Ghana Medical Trust. Aye Trinitia ekane se Mahama Care no emeboa pa na oman Ghana. Enipa biade omokondo se ne oman Ghana wo ho mfa wo ho tete wo pa yade bia kwakoye kwankro na betimi anya kwanya na oman Ghana mampeni nhihye pod ya ba se ne Mahama Care se no betimi anya kwanya neja etimi aboa ma wo so yade be de ha wo no watimi akwakwaje arehwe free na Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama de said to twa ne kasemu enemra ahobambo ko maako baburu dubako etimi ede cheka sikabutu ehyemu no aya 1 million and afensu 2000 Ghana cedis eka ho bia omekoma ne se wanje no fa mo Mahama case eye fan no na Ghana ni ekwakwaje arehwe a ne ho etimi atono kwa omoka bebire na Mr. Christian Tete Yehono eye Inspector General of Police mechira police sahene odi ahobambo ko baako makudu baako anim na mna ko pie mo de check ede ma Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama o mampeni akache ana wo chirem se sa contributions ahodo a ahobambo ko na ye no de dika no eye Ghana Police Service wanom edi sikabo chene 580,000 Ghana cedis ene koye afin so Ghana Immigration Service ede 100,000 Ghana cedis ene bio Ghana National Fire Service odum jadwuma yeko no ede 50,000 Ghana cedis ede koye ebio National Disaster Management Organization etwanetia eka ne se nadbo enso ede 50,000 Ghana cedis adwonko ede koye enma chinso Ghana Prison Service ede 50,000 Ghana cedis ahobammo ku ahodo eka ho bia eye Narcotics Control Commission ede 10,000 Ghana cedis ede koye National Identification Authority etwanetia eka ne se NIA ede 50,000 Ghana cedis ede koye enwa chinso eye Gaming Commission at 50,000 Ghana cedis na mukisika yesusa loto ye twa bebrebe ni eyi bet sika nyina ni mudi 50,000 pene koye yate enwa chinse Ghana Refugees Board at 5,000 Ghana cedis ena fei National Police National Peace Council at 5,000 Ghana cedis ena bio Small Arms and Light Weapons Commission for so the 10,000 Ghana cedis ena ede koye na kane chirem sem ankwankwa bi wamade ade wamusika ede koya mechire Alhaji Mohammed Mubarak Muntaka ono na yo sofo bomoden ehwe mangana manwensem so etam sika botre 50,000 Ghana cedis ede koye mu ode pa wo musanse chirem sem Mesa Beneze Okrete eye telebi ene so ye deputy minister ede ma interior so the 30,000 Ghana cedis ede koye na Christian Tete Yohoni ono eye post sahene na wo kasa no den sem sei.
Asked by or called by our minister to create awareness about the importance of this contribution towards the Mahama Care. And we, at our various meetings, we met at our senior level, and all the senior officers have willingly contributed to the care. And then just because we feel that really a large number of our people in the country really need health care. Those of us in the security services, we are fortunate that when we are not well, the government is there to take care of us. But there are people over there who have nobody to take care of them. So, President, with your this good initiative, we feel that it is better that we also support. And the support we are giving is just the beginning of many other supports to follow. So, starting from the police have contributed 580,000 Ghana cedis. Immigration 100,000, fire 50,000, NADMO 50,000, prisons 50,000, NACOC 10,000, NIA 50,000, gaming institution, that gaming is 50,000, and then we have the refugee 5,000, Peace Council 5,000. The Minister of the Interior contributed 50,000, the Deputy Minister of Interior contributed 30,000. And then the Small Arms Commission, they also contributed 10,000. So in all, we have 1,002,000 being the total contribution provided. Thank you very much, sir.
Any auti ye o my Ghana post sahina. The day Eddie Christian Tete Yehono. Na ne kwakwa na Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama egutra kesem. Ana wo chire misem. Oda ahombanbo ko ni nyina se. Ewa adoye eni susumpa eni trimopa. Wombeso mobuano na Mahama case no etime ekwani mu pa Ghana mampeni chirim se kesi amekese ya cabinet fo agi atum na be commercial masibo dwafo so atena se agi atum ne de be boa pa mo man Ghana ho bambon sem na afinso ya pomo den etimi akonkane.
Sicknesses are expensive to diagnose and they're also expensive to treat. And so most victims and families suffer a lot when a relative contracts non-communicable disease. It is said that however wealthy a person is, within 1 year of contracting a non-communicable disease, you virtually could run through all your resources and not be able to raise the financing to be able to take care of yourself. So on April 29th this year, I launched the Ghana Medical Trust Fund. And since the launch, we've been working on the bill. The committee that we set up presented us with the policy guidelines. And based on the policy guidelines, we've fashioned out the bill. I'm happy to say only yesterday, Cabinet approved the bill for onward transmission to Parliament. So once Parliament passes it into law, then it opens the way for us to appoint the trustees. And we're going to appoint independent trustees, people who are distinguished and well recognized in this country, to administer the fund. And so there will be trustees, independent of government, who would directly administer the fund. We've made arrangement for funding, and as we said, the funding will come from the uncapped portion of the National Health Insurance levy. It used to be capped, and so a certain amount of it used to end up in the consolidated fund. The Minister of Finance has given it up, and so the full financing is going to the National Health Insurance Authority, and so we've asked them to reserve a portion of it to fund Mahama Cares. But it's not only from the NHIL, it will also be from allocations made by the budget to fund the program, and also from private corporate donations, and then also grants from our development partners and others who are interested in access to quality health care.
Any awoti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama.
Yantoa kasiabani so niembo nremu ewa disuamu nsema na oswafo na hwa disuamu nsema o man Ghana Haruna Idrisu edi nsema tuja echemu se universities enanya abanye si ewa man mu no ade omobema omo 40 million Ghana cedis na ebeyo betimi edi emujuma na universities yi CKTM University of Technology and Applied Sciences eno wa na Vrongo Sanso ana University of Energy and Natural Resources eno ewo Sunyane ana University of Health and Allied Sciences eno wo ana SD Dombo University of Business and Integrated Development Studies eno ewo wa ochema ade omunina ebenya 10 million Ghana cedis ombebomodia etimi edi amujuma no ne omuhyiemu wo honom ekasa na ochemu se ade Ghana ban agia to mesan so munye sika no edi free Ghana Education Trust Fund na omutwa ni TFN and Get Fund hwese institutions bi te tertiary no betimi aboa no mo so ne mo mpese omunya ewo mu school nim no ama adesua ho nsem enkwa anim no betimi anya na adesua so na timi akoye na mpuntuo etimi aba school nim na 10 million Ghana cedis a school bia ebenya no hwehwe anim so betimi dia ye project akese na aboa na university ni so no etimi akon etu mpompa ewo oman modern sem say Edituja.
Our proud graduates, know this is my first congregation I'm attending since my assumption of office as minister. I should say that we are very proud of the progress of this institution, and we will do what is needful to support you more. You are one such institution that is dedicated to training in technology and applied sciences. So, Mr. Vice Chancellor, as you were talking, I was flipping through my notes, and I'm happy to announce that this university, together with 3 other universities, will benefit from 10 million Ghana cedis grants. This year, from the Ghana Education Trust Fund, we made an allocation of 40 million Ghana cedis for 4 universities, which we describe in the formula as seed money. CKTM UTAS will benefit from 10 million. And other institutions in Ho, UNER, UHAS, and the other in Enquires individual benefit 10 million, totaling 40 million Ghana cedis. This release will be done to you at the end of the next quarter of this year. So it's not just a pledge, we'll honor it so that you can
DLFM.
Ene ya uti ye eye Haruna Idriso no na ye osoafo hwa adesua ho nsem ewo man Ghanaian.
Yantu akasebo no so ene yenyina mum ewo Narcotics Control Commission. Wanom atime no wontoma e de aboani ene ahobamboku e de asie ani a wanom echire mu sem ene dubone pa efi amanfa mamanzo be piem Ghana ha no no enya se komenti omutumi tichi bia de finipa bonfo bi nsem a wonom atumi akokotwaja e de atumu ego mra na wonom edi World Drug Day e hontoma pa wo man Ghana na mra opani pa de den ede Director General Brigadier Maxwell Mate ne kasemu ene wo chire mu sem so o man boy homoden egina ye na so na wonu mutumi boa na mo hwese o man Ghana asomdwe ebetumi akoso o man mu nteno nyaade a betumi atena se na nubone etumi age o man Ghana e de aboso kram ne kasemu ene wo chire mu sem enipa ho bambo na pomuden ya de hia papa ne senti sebe ye bebo na daache Ghana etumanya empanifo pom bedi o man Ghana be ye kanifo ntino o mo ntumi ntena se meburu no etumi enum nubone ma man Ghana daache etumi konkoda esemu emra Maswo Mate ekasemu ni sentwerefo kasa na wo chire mu sem empanifo atrase wa bete eye special operation akoba dwumaden ahwa hunu sem mam ya hudo bia de nipa bi edi kwati kwan efa so pa eri no bone ba o magana mo de yetuma chi wonu nyina da akwagina ma na memra etimi ni wonum etimi adi wakasa echire mi sem obehia o magana fo nyina mo anti uhu se nipa bone fo bi atontondom bone a efa kwan mo de kwem panifo asutre na ya chi wonum kwagina ma na memra etimi ni wo mu nipa ne kasa na wo chire mi sem make se ne Ghana man penen ene apamfo gusu badwumaden so mbeboa na nipa wonam kwati kwan na wonum du bone ba o magana betumi acho memra etimi ni wo madi o chire mi sem omo hwa ne mu so mamode abadwumaden na boa na asomdwe na hombambo nsem ne nipa pomuden etumi akonkan wo maganem wakasa chire mi sem abagusu na famde nanso mo nyina bo hombambo se nyina beboa na hombambo nsem titire efa ni bone no wonom etumi atu asodem sensei Ladies and
gentlemen, we are gathered here this afternoon or this morning, late morning, to commemorate the world and as part of the activities lined up. This morning we have destroyed quite a sizable number of illicit drugs that were seized during the period and as authorized by the courts. It is to commemorate the World Drugs Day, which is celebrated worldwide. We did it today in your presence to show our transparency in dealing with the menace. We are law-abiding, and so we did it in an environment that is conducive, and so we took all the environmental protection measures in place, and we invited you here so that the whole country and perhaps the whole world know what we've been doing. And it is also to show our commitment to the rule of law. My simple message to those who perpetrate or who are involved in this illicit drug business is that it is not fair to the country. We will not stand idly by and allow them to bring in this illicit drugs to destroy our future leaders. From next month, we'll be conducting special operations and we'll go after them. I hope that you cooperate with us, you assist us as much as possible so that we can bring them to the public view, for them to be named.
DLFM 106.9.
We need peace, security, and a healthy state. Thank you very much.
Eni a oti ye eye Director General Brigadier Maswo Mate edi na atinaba Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 videos ahodo etwa guo no nyasim kuma enduro pampanifo asese no anyasim kuma akra de bedam panifo aso monkoso ankokode no momoe na nubone a ene memabu ni bia adwene mu aka no ni nyinada eto entumi entwa sika yankoyanim
Yentoa Kasiabone so na yade a Bank of Ghana etimi twa ye probationer eye contractor no edema eye nipa beye wo ha no nam so amatememfo ni bebre na etimi kasa ho ye papa na we na ya private legal practitioner eye Vicky Bright eden sama betudwa echemu se eye ginasie bia ye Bank of Ghana ebesi no e waso mobomodian no mutimi di obuo edema ne san se aya na beta eye emra ne ho nto momodian say edwuma bia na se ginese bia Bank of Ghana ede betu dwa no omde obuo kese ede ebema no na bro ne semtwafo etwetwe nkomo ana ye Miss Bright ona na ye Deputy Minister of State ede ma eye omanpani dada John Ejekum Kufo ye na aban so no ede tudwa echemu se ye dwumaru ane wo ho kwan bia so betimi ahwe dwumadi ye na dwumayefo no eye nti bibia ni anwo so mobomode ade ya amanyosem no mo hu ni se san hyehyeye efre ye Chief of Staff Julius Debra na ede betu dwa se eye public sector appointment no call so awabra ye to aba ni wie ye ewo ye December bosome ne de to so nso won fimpi mienu ni aduonu nan ni mu nna no omomomode ano mu ndi hyehyeye ne so pepepe nti on de ohwa ni mu se enwo so mode ya amanyosem na emom mu ndi asem ne so pepepe esan se Bank of Ghana ye gina se ombesi no aya na efadwumadi ekoso ewo honum to mofo ebuo emfa manodi nsem say edituja.
Well, you know, my basic starting point is that lawyer has the right to hire and fire as long as they are respecting the terms of the contract and the law, you know, employment laws in Ghana. According to the Bank of Ghana, they have retained more than half of the appointees of the previous government. So I would like to believe that this was really genuinely done in accordance with their own evaluation processes and practices. They have said that they conducted extensive reviews and evaluations of each of those employees, and for whatever reason, they didn't find them, able to meet those criteria. And I'm sure that this is documented somewhere. So if anyone doubts it, they probably have the right. They should have the right to see what the reasons behind their particular termination is. So I don't want to politicize it, because we are in the habit of politicizing everything in this country. And I think it's not helping us very much. So I would like to believe in the integrity of the Bank of Ghana and the governor and say that, look, they have retained more than half of the people. So clearly some of the people were found to be satisfactory and others were not, for whatever reason. So we just need to, like any other employer, we just need to respect their decisions as long as they haven't violated the terms of the individual contracts concerned and also the employment laws, the labor laws of Ghana. I'm okay with that.
Any outi ye Vicky Bright or no, and a private legal practitioner.
Yantu akase bone so ne yemo mfanwura mum e wo man Ghana e mofra won matumi akọ school agentete ya na wonum awie mekire 2022 eye batcha wonum ba modern ekowie College of Education a make sene penifo adwomatum se wonum ya graduate wo ma wie school etimi abesom aban ne wo man Ghana afi ba ko nanso mu wie school no wo ma bomodern atenase ya na penifo bomodern ma wo madwuma se ne Enfim mienu ne adunu nan osana abosome ne de kan mpenifo fo madwuma sei monkwe na monkwa kira na bosum du ambenya sika e de gum botom na batan ene ahwehwe bo mode abom ho kan so moyen sika akra e de ahwefie na chechefo ekire mi sei efitima mpenifo bo maden fa madwuma bepem samra ye kese no kapre wo monsan kan bi da ene wa chenso ID card e be kire sei wo me ya chechefo no aleta mwenwen nya de a wo monsan kan bi na chechefo ameke semprefo mode fa madwuma osana abosome ne da toso ba kono omoye makon ahanson ene ediwotwe 9 784 ena omoye graduate omowie school aya chechefo ameke semprefo tuma fa madwuma nanso kapre wamonyi bida bosum du a omonya ketua biam ID mpo edi adanse se omoye chechefo no munya bi na omomade ya friends semprefo mu semprefo nhye mu ene Solomon no poku jan edi konanim okase na okire mi se nima bi kwaso a ya wo ma kira de saa ba ya bosumi du ntem ni kapre wo monya bida ahwo kira pa eku abakoto etwe ne koto anapabada so ne bi na eku wo munti Ghana mpani fa de bone be no ma yemum wo mo kire mi se mokọ asohwe mode oba mode hwe o man Ghana du sian sensem so a wo mo se monko original office wo mokọ ma mode ya bo mo back to back monsan kọ asoye kesem wo mo kire mi se Ghana mpani for data wo no mefri se de biada omukọ makwa omaso ya wama mani asa mufro ka kire muntin sema mu no kotoma nhwa so agro mu no mudi no mompe kram wono maka se esi nwa se enne dwen boss mata so do ni so ma ye kire e wo man Ghana aso ye hwe man Ghana ahomasunya so seba ye betumi aboa na sika hodo aka ka moto no mutumi twa na moto so asetenam enye dem dem sem sei
Initially, we were told that staff IDs were released in batches. So when the first one came, those who were fortunate had their names captured. And those of us who didn't, we were still waiting patiently. Along the line, in January, there was a letter that circulated all over the country that personnel who are not on payroll had their appointment revoked. We also know very well that from colleges of education, we have automatic posting. And so we were quite confused as to whether we were part or not. Fine. It was later recalled that we should go back to our regional offices for revalidation, of which we did that. Then, in the course of that, another set of staff IDs were released. We were still patient enough, knowing very well that the staff IDs are released in batches. From January, February, March, another batch was released. Then we saw that no, where the thing is heading towards is becoming unusual. So we started raising questions and then trying to find out why there is this delay in the release of the staff IDs. So we decided, like I said, we were contacting our district offices, our regional offices, and then they were still giving the same reasons that staff IDs are generated in batches. For how long should we wait? We've been waiting just last month. Another set, in my region, I'm coming from Central Region as I speak now, and in my region, some were released. Still, some of us still couldn't find our names in the list. And so this time around, we thought it wise that no, we need to seek answers to it. If you can remember, a couple of months ago, we were here on the same agenda, and then they promised that, yes, they are working on it. But unfortunately, they gave us some reasons that we think does not tally with the reason why we are not getting the staff IDs.
And what are the reasons?
In that, we were told that the clearance that was issued before our posting had expired. And so they are seeking for clearance extension from the Finance Ministry to ensure that our staff IDs are released. But then, we also don't understand when the clearance became the foundation for which staff IDs should be generated. When you go there, when you go to the offices, they keep telling you the same thing. When you come here, now you got to a time, some of us came here individually, and then we were told that the staff IDs are supposed to be generated from the regional.
Any awuti ye ono ejinamo ekasa edema. Akyerɛkyerɛfo a wanom area school ɛwɔ mfempem mienu ne aduonu mienu mu. Ne den Edi Solomon Opoku Jan ene de ampaye bedwa firi se omu kyeremu a oye chemoko akwaye power so hwe omanga na humasua esuo no omaso baye de firi se de ekro no omaka kampanifo ntie wo no na omu kyeremu se so omo ya na sempanifo omo adwene se de maka na omaka omo kwakyira de no mu ndidi omo de ayasepan na bede bia ma kwakyira ade no ekombede omo sa ade a ade ba kopa Ghana mpanifo esuro pa no eya de we nti sempanifo anya de a ombe ya de we Edia mom ti enti ade kro mpeso mo ye no. Sika me nwa fase fo no no. Omo kire mi so ma ye adwuma sabusu medu obi antwa omoka. Te no mbe ye oye kire e wo headquarters Ghana Education Service. Sempenifo na enti ensu dia omo kosekwese wo mutirim yento akase ebo no sika
yento akase ebo ne so na empapa mu bi edi free African policy lens ho edi abani pa obegina ese frankatuni edi ama MPP amanyoko no e won fimpi mienu ene aduonu watwini ma chese MPP amanyoko achi taifo no bebre na gitumu se eya omanpani dada be de che Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sanso no na egusu edi kan so obetimi agina edi ama MPP amanyoko no e won fimpi mienu ene aduonu watwini Yahishemu abetodwa no echemu achitaifo ne beye 70.6% de eyade omotai Dr. Bawumia echiye papa nemu eye 21.4% de omo so eta eye Kennedy Japan echi so no anembegina FM amanyekuo no ewon mfimpi mienu ne aduonu watwa abatu onim na de eye wanwa ne kra ne se ndisi amanyekuo ne chitaifo ni bi so tai eye Kennedy Japan echiye pass se no eye 48.4% de omujitu musa eye Kennedy Japan ne woso gina edema pipi amanyoko na emu 35.3% so eta ye Dr. Bawumia so echi na ohawe wo ne say ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo ha kese pa e wo vote ne Western North se eba campaign so anya mamu anya du mamu anya den ya ansha no wentimi endi nkunim ho na emu mobomode amia nani no ma campaign timi koso ye wo no ma e ya de nkunimde ni betimi aye ne dia e wo mfimpi mienu ene aduonu watwini
Yantu akase wano senenko piemo ewa piemantemo na National Association of Sand and Stone Workers timber truck users eka ho bi omo de adesre e de ato Ghana penani enimu say wanom esre nada na nsanipa bi enam koti kwan so etu anwea pa ya boa e wo mra wanom emra biada emmo ho ban wanom ukire mi say enam say wonu tumika tanti wanom say omanga na yensase no enya de fa makran so kram emra mo friends ensem nhia mu wa piementem mum ina Alexander na Nasapon ono eye Eastern Regional Chairman edema Ekuei ana afin so Nana Kofi eye onwona onso ye chairman edema Enkwakwa branch wana mo kase kire mi sem ensemi hapa se nipa bia oni tumi krata etimetu anwea na mutumi pa bo omanganam na wana mutumi se omangana asase kwa ma dachi be ha oman ne kase mu ana o kire mi sem wanom branches makwa de num 25 branches e wo eye Eastern Region no wama wama de atranse ahunu se dapi ne ma bi kwa so a ha dwene Ghana mampene onfa ne nanfansi fom na nipa bi amutu anwea omonam kwati kwan so ese omangana asase na kwaye no omo entimi twa omoto enfanto anwea empenifo akase na mu kire mi sem omo sra ban evisa omo de mutu a wama wade akobo wura meme ahodo mu bo wade etu anwea na mo wade adi kan esesa anwea na ewo soro na ebe won your number ye no etimi aso na brepa na mutu gu nkyɛn omo wie nso na makata amna no kama se be bo na akuafo nso medu omutie no omo halo omo ntie omo chega na mampani se ni baby omo nam kwati kwan so tu anwea no onche na mra entimi ne omo ni wasaka se kirem sem wama maden etimatisi anwea ne bo no so fisa mekese no sidna nya hodenti obi ante ne mabo so na mo na mangana yesikasem enkwa kom de sem sei etuja
ya hu se abane de niam pa eboa yen ise na fuwe yen hwe se de fuwe ne yeto no nti ne ise fuwe abefom de a yen hwe se obi abeti na anwea so 100 cedis na aban so ahu se niam pa wo ye na anwea fo so aye wo Eastern Region ye tai etire bi se ene na daroma dares abefom ama etipa trans krampo no se ehwe abefom kra be tete no kra na ebeka se 7.5 and so first none in 12 billion and so about 7.5 billion and 8 billion so say ya da ban na se di nyina ka ho okoto tie square na tie abefom ama ya hunie mapa aban no oye de eboa yen enti se ekoso amane ma ba fom a ye behwe se ye betete anwea no so ama abefom na ye besa aban se omo ayen na nya anwea nko an ye disidan cement nso onhwe ho mayen we say cement no ba fom e be ma blocks nso ye mu pitwa blocks ye behwe se anwea na ba fom so de blocks nso be fom ye nuanum bia omo nso di to mission omo nsem se ye de omo ni lances enso mbetu anwea na ayese ya ban na aba enti ayesa no a omo de tumi bi na omo ye de omo ye den epe ama ayesa na di tututu ne niema ho ne ye hwesa ban moaye na won a omo ni nkrata na omo tu anwea se ye de bibi betu omo anim so ombeboa na ya tu omo so esa
eni a woti ye Alexander na Nasapon ono ina ye chairman edema Eastern Regional Eastern Region National Association of Sand and Stone Workers nene ena woti ye yento akasebo no eso
yanto akasebo no so ne mbonremu ewo bi man so ane nipa beye aduonu mienu de ya de omatimi ahye omokra emu aduasa miensa de ye de omapraye papa de fa ye suicide bomb attack no koso ewo Damascus asori na ya de omuchirema ye jabi epie na akode ewom de freye Greek Orthodox eye church ye Prophet Elias aneda no ewo ye Duala neighborhood nim ewo abra na kwasi ada numra asori ekoso a eye aturanchemi etimi koso nipa aduonu mienu de ometimi ahye omokra na nipa odi adanse eye Lawrence Mamari edeto eye AFP anim se eye ade a obi bo omodin aru asori dan mu onoma na okita akode obo omodin ahye asese eye otutututuo no nipa bebre na ye omaje se nkomu sini ano na emomanya ade a opene ye bo omodin atimi kum nipa eye aduonu mienu a eye arahusemi papa ewo eye Damascus na we ni nsema esi ewo Damascus achese eye ewuwu ekonom no Kwadwo Agyei nipa aduonu mienu die
eden na sika enye honkwa na asamboni asie yentwapo na yensa nkopie mu ewo Nigeria memu aleta na nka betodwa ekire mu sem oba besia etime akwakofa topaye bomb ede ahye ho etime akwakoto amanakum enipa mako dumienu 12 Kranana, Mafufro Pina, so to me prepara. Awa na no, if you're de twemu anadwo. Ewa Nigeria, mano, north east, Bono State. Opposed for Uncle number 2, and the memina, no. Na Bono State, no, opposed for Mokasama for the Mawanom, Nahum, Kenneth, Dasso, and Crattered Barbonteno, me same. Or Bible home day at the topaye, at the shen ho, no bogura mo bia, one etom, and nam, Mechensu munam, fish market. Baby, any pop about piece of pina, the question on my bon home dia to pay a ya. And a dima yaw. Any pair would dear do me no. A full piano, so additional home mobile, and in San Chavacas and Mutrim same. Any papa bro, Edias and 30, and a moon that pay beyond that you say no. A moo edding ye pam. No penny poya casama for, add the map posy for, a year. Bono State no, Nahum, Kenneth. That's so actually, Mr. Woman who are paid any pay. The Macopia, I say, make us a more edge, just an hour. Now, catch them up. Bono State, no. Mentamo say a cost of per 2 moon, and the Yaman who make us say no. Any papa borrow, 2 million, and a money baby for Mutin to. And a kunkum, and an attacker. Boko Halam for a tatane share a while among one Nigeria make us say no. The way pa, if we idea Cassiabo, Yadamuchi Munada, etime Edison Mona Yentra, way a hooktail. Near copy of Facebook on second Ghana for Argentina, Benaya fan some. Richard, I heard him say, Cassiabono, a more than pass and man with them, and I'm DJ Ghana man feeding so a waiting station. Na Uchira, Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, and everything so. Crescented she who swim pony in Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy be made us me offer. Kofi Parliament, watch me say, in Nhyiraba Sammy be. And Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, say Cassiabone more than to a bonny empire, the my name, my dear Yapo. Ocean Life, Eddie Free, I can become a paya that's senior. Aya Emmanuel, Opoku active. DJ active, watch him say, boy, my dinty. In Chaka, say, come my paya, that's a pa. Dora ya, Adwoa Agyei, watch him say. Sammy B, near Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, Ochirema, good afternoon. Na Cassiabone more the panty. Or they, and Chad my DLFM. And you my phone, and nothing so Ochirem say. Lumba first and so, papa pie, we at the pass and man, and we put the hoon swim penny. Medase. Hans indeed no Ochirem say. Cassiabone more the panty, Jack, as young comma Sammy B. And Adwoa Agyei Sikapa, and the Jumadia Yabo. Or the free atomic hotel, down suman or day a year. And Chawi, Eddie Free Eba. Abbas, Austin. 499 Ochirem say, wow. What a news. Or see a boy Jumadin pa. Or tell you Jumadin Yabo. Or the free. Tama. Community 23. And a day a free a 1 man or the Eba pa. Sikapa Cassiabone ye. And I am ye. Ah, ye cry, ye cop, ye cop. Na Lumba first and swear the pow.
Pa.
Until they want to man with Jan Hopper. Near Shad Mus said them penny for kind of Ben Wedriane. I would you made a pump on Swaka Senti. Oh, Ben what day? Jollof. Where could tell any man or Benoit?
Only watch you.
Watch it. Intimacy do Hanama and Fasican Coto watching in Senequa. Kofi Benoit, Baton, oh, so I tell him soon Munuapa.
Oh,
on what the watching or say a so trying some mine. Ha,
send your penny, dear, what to so bit.
I was or say a so trying say a prima for a tasso. Into Mamma, the Adwoa Medical Tele watch it. Nana Benoit day.
I just saw my punching crack and quine no light soup. On your bank quine the don't go there.
Now come here, Fum's way.
Come here, Fum no caco tebia semu.
Hey, me what I see, I did my come here, Fumini.
On one a car, and I should have on there by Rampesi and
it's an inside bed, the pa, sexy. O her power, young contum, ribbing, yamabina, uchino, yanka cratua, see, I any acron. And to Lumba first and you my dear pompons on the hobby, the panty and Coseo Sika, or nobody different, is a Benwiniane. Sikaya Sasso, and way happy birthday, echo dear my Mr. Prince. Do now honor your chief executive officer at the Classic Multimedia Institute, and honor Ewala Pass, New Market. Now, if you're no Ankasa, former student at the Classic Multimedia Institute, the day at him, Abu Bakar, Alimatu, the Drabon man say Hajjas witness, and was a young fat. I would like to say we inform Mr. Prince. Due our chief executive officer at the Classic Multimedia Institute. Into a chemo of Papa Panty and there, I would then go punch out pa no yoke say. On phone fra dumo and quad dumo if we say. O Monday ba obo at the 10th century for ne kwan kan pa. And then open power and our chief executive officer at the Classic Multimedia Institute. Mr. Prince due to way everyone kasa about 10 na wayan sem training etonkra edema DLFM ne den ede Alematu Abubakar Adwoa friend is saying just witness no say yemfa woda kese yemfa of trem say yankopon hira opa na onye wo kese bone ye de asi emusemufo ne ya maze mebela ntwene say mo ede ema yen kufitere ye kopie mo e wo Facebook so makase bonya bi ehwe yem to chichi afire mfo madema ya wie no ne den ede DJs gibi akenka ebeso mo no eya me takwade kodwekrom twabe wo de hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi to da bom la ne se ehun so mpene me ne me wo fa ase ba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
wa hote den
Dum Solevi
ya kwa no ha na eba
Nana Achire mu hima Enfifi mu hima Radio mu ya Santua Enkacha hima Michael Jackson
ena da ben
ena Adwoa
the many number be din edin ben na da so
ena ye special for that Lumba yes
that the Lumba Monday special the habe de pa ena me so metinam bi na onim ade ba akwa ma na ye de pa ne say eye Lumba fa dwumadie no ye wo videos ahodo aye be ye program no so efri say na Adwoa seki ogina simpie so menim de kan afia sugar so okochele nye no wasa menim aye afia ompa ahoto
mesi afia de ono no
na wotumi sa kwafom na obu akure wo fo ne kwa akosa
ye mesi sugar de ono pa asumdie asumdie ni na brabo mu krakra
debi jawria na no pa na Adwoa seki ye ne ho anwea pa na Adwoa kwafom se ya na nkache na sugar yesen ko beye bi nyame nko a ko ka fom ho nyame nko a ko ka fom enti ene emu nsem na Adwoa seki na pamfo e de beto ne mu nyina monitor a adehye
Kwame ade wakabomu an